If you have the 2012, 2014 Honda CR-V and you want to activate your AC and you have this automatic climate control, you can't actually activate it manually. So what you can do, you can turn the climate system on and then lower the temperature to the minimum, and your AC will be activated and the recirculation system will turn on. So you will have as cold air as possible, and your AC will be always working in this condition. Now, also in these cars, you can deactivate your AC manually. If you press the AC button here, you will turn it off, AC off, and then whatever low temperature you make, the system will not turn on the AC anymore. And if you press this AC button again, you will turn AC on. Or for example, if you press the auto button, it will also turn on the AC. It will turn on the AC when needed. This is how it works in a Honda CR-V.